Okay, so we're testing visual LED indication of CO2 levels for CO2 temperature humidity device. And as you can see, at the moment it's way below 1000 particles per meter, and we have a green LED indication. So it blinks a few times in a minute. And what I will do now is literally blow some air into the sensor, and we will see how it changes. Yeah, it's gonna be funny. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it changes. Oh, it went down because of the airflow. And it's still green. And it should go up. Yeah, okay, so it's 900 now. Should be above 1000 in a moment. Okay, yeah, here you can see that it changed to yellow. So yellow blinking means higher levels of CO2, and it's about above 1000 ppm, and therefore we have some sort of light indication. Yeah, so if it's about 1500, it will blink red.